morning everyone. In this cadaveric study, we will talk about the cubital fossa, the dissected specimen of the cubital fossa. And the cubital fossa is a triangular space in the front of the elbow joint. This is the elbow joint over here. You can see, I can flex it from here. This is the elbow joint, and here is the cubital fossa, this triangular gap present over here. This is the cubital fossa. The boundaries of the cubital fossa are an imaginary line. The base is formed by an imaginary line connecting to medial and the lateral epicondyles of the humerus. The lateral boundary is made by the medial border of the brachioradialis. This is the medial border of the brachioradialis muscle. This is brachioradialis muscle, and this is the medial border of the brachioradialis muscle. The medial border is made by the lateral border of the pronator teres muscle. This is the pronator teres muscle. The pronator teres muscle, the medial border, the lateral border of the medial pronator teres makes the medial border of the cubital fossa. In the roof of the cubital fossa, you can find a median cubital vein connecting two veins. This is the cephalic vein over here, this cephalic vein, and this is the basilic vein, and this is the medial cubital vein connecting the two veins, cephalic and the basilic vein. This median cubital vein is considered as the ideal vein for the phlebotomy, or that is venipuncture for IV injections or withdrawing blood, because this is fixed by a perforator vein on the deeper aspect. You can see this is the perforator vein. This is the perforator vein connecting. This perforator vein connects the superficial median cubital vein to the deeper veins of the forearm. The deeper veins of the forearm. This is the perforator vein. After reflecting this venous system, you can see the cubital fossa, and another thing that enforces the roof of the cubital fossa is the bicipital aponeurosis. The deep fascia of the cubital fossa is reinforced by a structure called as bicipital aponeurosis. This is basically extension from the tendon of the biceps brachii. This is the biceps brachii muscle, and you can see here, this is the rounded tendon of the biceps brachii, and this extension from the rounded tendon of the biceps brachii is known as the bicipital aponeurosis. After reflecting the bicipital aponeurosis, you can see the contents of the cubital fossa over here. These are different contents of the cubital fossa. We will learn it from the medial to lateral. On the medial most aspect, this is the median nerve. This is the median nerve over here. Then the second structure is the brachial artery along with its vena comitatus. These smaller veins are the vena comitatus of the brachial artery. And the third structure is the tendon of the biceps brachii. And to see the fourth structure, that is the radial nerve, we have to do a little maneuver. And you can see over here the two muscles. This is the brachialis muscle. This is brachialis muscle, and this is brachioradialis muscle. The radial nerve is present in between these two muscles. When I pull the muscles on both the sides, you can see the radial nerve coming over here. This is the radial nerve, a content of the cubital fossa. These are the four contents of the cubital fossa that you can identify. Thank you.